Okay, morning everyone. What I'd like you to do today is you need to go to a place called Glogster because what we were going to do, it looks like it's not going to work, so Prezi won't work, so we're going for plan B, which is Glogster. So you go to www.glogster.com and it's basically an online poster site where you create a big poster about your work, really. So what I'd like you to do is first of all register. You can either click at the top here or you can register down here. So you click on register and then you need to go through and set all your names. So Mr. Hodges, password, doesn't matter really what you use. Then I'm going to use, for example, my school email, which for you would be kent-enable.net, and then your first name, your surname, and then your date of birth. Okay, so you can work out how old I am if you want. You need to put down obviously what gender, and you need to find United Kingdom, which is all the way down the end here, United Kingdom. Then you need to put in this code in capitals. So that is E6U3HV. Make sure that's done properly and click I agree. Now then you'd click sign up and you'd sign up and create a new account. Now I've already got an account, so I'm not going to do that. I'm going to try and log in and see what happens with that not in capitals. And see if this gets me in. No, clearly not. Let's try it the other way. There you go, so I'm actually logged in anyway. Okay, so this is one of the ones I did for Titanic in Year 7 for EBL. So if I click on Titanic, when you register and you create your first glog, okay, it will give you a lot of options and it will look like what's about to come up on the screen now. So you'll be able to edit what's in there and you'll be able to move things around and create things and all that kind of stuff. So what you need to do is if you want to add text, it's pretty easy. Just select text. Then you need to select what you'd like, whether it's bubble, stickers, titles. Papers is quite good. Gives you lots of different samples of papers. And if we do bubbles, okay, and then there's obviously along the bottom there's more choice as well. Okay, you just get the one you want, hold it, and then drag it into the area. Close that, move it around. Obviously you click edit, and then you can start to write. If you want to change the size of the font, highlight, and then the font size is here, and obviously the colours, bold and italics, and you can move that around. Once you've finished, you press OK, and then you're back and you're ready to roll. If you want to insert a video, click on video, and you go to link, and then in here you would paste a YouTube video that you'd found into this bar here, then add to your files, and then the bar will scan along showing you it's loaded, and then it will show up in your area here. Again, if you want to use it, you just hold it and then drag it into the area like so, and then you drop it and then it's there ready to go. Same thing with images. You need to upload images from your area. So you go to your pictures, and then for example I could put in a picture of my children, for example, and then it should show up in here. If it doesn't, you might need to just try again. Sometimes it takes a little while to think about it, and sometimes you actually have to press once and then do open. Clearly that's not worked, but usually that should work. Oh, there we go. It's loading it up now, so it takes a little bit of time. Probably load 3 of them now. Let's see what happens. Yeah, here they come. So I can just get rid of that by clicking delete. Do I want to delete? Yes, I do. So you just have to be a little bit patient. And then all I do again is I drag and drop the picture in, and then I can move the picture around and I can make it smaller, etc, etc. And then if you want to get rid of anything, you just click on the bin and it deletes it. Once you've sort of played around and you want to save what you've done, click on save or publish, give it a name. So I've called this Titanic example. You might want to call it something else. Select school, and then down here you need to click save and publish. And then once it's saved, that's fine, you just carry on working on it. So I carry on editing, and there we are, I can keep working on it. So that's Glogster. So you need to make sure you create or start to create a Glogster about future technology. For the first 10 minutes or so, have a play around on it, see what it does, see what's available for you to use, and then for the next 20-25 minutes, start to create your future technology Glog. I hope you find this okay and it works all right for you. It did with the other class, and obviously you can rewind this video and you can watch it again if you need to.